We went on a 6-day RV trip through northern Arizona in the middle of a pandemic. Our first stop was Williams in the Grand Canyon. Check it out. If you're traveling on the road to the Grand Canyon, more specifically the south rim of the Grand Canyon, you will pass by Williams. So we got up to Williams late in the day, so we just posted up, hooked up, and planned for the next day. We stayed at a KOA, and this KOA happened to have a little mining adventure for the boys.
Watch your sleeves, but you don't want to lose your tassels.
Not all the
just
way.
a little bit, like this.
I know.
Oh yeah, there's some stuff in here.
You got an emerald bag?
Oh yeah, I see an emerald.
Look at that.
I already see an emerald.
You do?
Yeah, right here.
Well, don't. Okay. Hold on to your bag so you can put it back in there.
These are like real shark tooth,
Can I
right?
go, Kim?
Yo, what is this?
Seeing a lot of stuff. This is an emerald, right?
You got so many emeralds.
Well, after we gathered all of our gemstones, arrowheads, and shark teeth, we headed into Williams. Williams is a town that sits on Old Route 66. We decided to jump into this brewery called Historic Brewing. We were very surprised with the quality of the food and the beer. They even had a shooting gallery for the kids.
Hey, you bandit. Look at me, you masked bandit.
If you're not familiar with Route 66, also known as the Mother Road and Main Street of America, this road served as the main artery of Western expansion. It really has a feel that you're in a time machine somewhere between cowboy culture and 50s cruising culture.
Yeah, these rocks really help.
My hands are sticky. Happy birthday to you. How's the trip going?
With you yelling at me, not very well.
Okay, Top, and we're in the wilderness. This is still Arizona, surprisingly. It looks like Seattle, but it's Arizona.
Well, we would finally make it
How
to
do
the
you
Grand
float it?
Canyon, even though we weren't sure if it was going to be open.
Can I get your picture?
Oh, luckily for us, the south entrance was open, and we got to walk around and marvel at the Grand Canyon. Cost was $35 for the car to get in with the family, but well worth it. Well, as we're being escorted out here by the park staff, we are plotting our next stop in Page and Lake Powell,
Those
Arizona.
look like ants right there. See them? Right next to the big wall. Oh my god. Mom, that's a temple. That's a temple.
Where?
Right there.
Ah, you got a good imagination.
Come
No,
along
that's
with
a
us
temple. There's temple.
next time. Thanks for watching. Like, share,
Then what is
subscribe.
it?